Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is a sponsored video. It is sponsored by Karaspor. They sent me a seed bead spinner. Okay, they reached out to me and wanted to send me some stuff. So, I'm going to unbox it for you and I'm going to do a little project. All right, so it came today and this is how it looks. All right, it's really cute, very compact. All right, it's a seed bead spinner kit. So yeah, we're gonna open this up and take a look at everything. And I will put the link for this down in the description. You can get it off of Amazon. All right, and it says full of jewelry making accessories. Okay, so yeah, I like that it's nice and compact. I wonder what color it is. We'll find out. Let's see. It is efficient beading, two power choice, two bead bowls, and you can design your jewelry. All right, so let's see. I'm just reading all of the things on the side. Now, let me open this really quick and then I will pull everything out and show it to you, okay? Let's go ahead and open it, all right? So, it comes with instructions, okay? So, we'll figure out how it works. I'm not a very gadget friendly girl, but we'll try to figure out if we can make it work. All right? You get your little power cord in here and a little you know, you can sit it on there just to spin your beads. It comes with the big eye needles. Okay, so that's really cool. Love that. All right, I'm gonna have to figure out how everything works. And then you get a little kit inside, which is really nice. Oh, because you get to play. It comes with, oh, let's open the kit. Let's see, let's put this aside. Open the kit. Let's see what's in here. Looks like you get elastic, you get scissors. I like that. So you get some elastic string. All right, you get black and white. So that's cool. Okay. A little pair of scissors. Oh, so cute. So cute to cut your string. You get some tweezers in here. And you get some beads. Some tiny beads. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Right? To make some make a necklace or bracelets or whatever. So I love that. Okay. Let's see. How do we open this? Get the tweezers. So all the tools and stuff come with it. That's really nice, right? I like that. So let's open this. Looks like you get stuff. Wow, you can make a lot of jewelry with this. You get all the different color seed beads. These look like size 8 seed beads, which are the smallest. But if you have size 6, well, some of them might be a little bit bigger. But if you have like size 6 seed beads that'll work in here too, I'm gonna imagine. I would imagine. And you get these, different letters. You get charms in here. These are really cute. Oh wow, you get a whole little bag of charms. That's so cute. Oh, I love. Okay. You get some ear wires, some ear hooks coming here. Let's see. You get some lobster claw clasps and jump rings. Okay, so yeah, that's really cool. Claws, clasps, and some jump rings, some small little jump rings. All right, so that's really nice. And silver, and then you get some in gold. So, oh, I love that. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, you get some lobster claws and gold. So you get gold and silver. Okay, I thought it was just silver, but oh, nice. Okay, so you can make a lot of jewelry with this, y'all. A lot. Like wow, that's a lot. Lots of bracelets and necklaces and earrings and things. So that's really really cool. All right, so I'm gonna figure out how to put this together, and then I will come back and then we will make something. All right, so. Let me put this back in here. Of course, you know I can't get it back in here. Yeah, I love the colors. Such pretty colors. All right, so all right, I will be back to you, and we will make something. All right, so I took the items out of the packaging, and so I'm going over the instructions. So it looks like it needs 3 AA batteries. So I found some batteries, and then I'm just putting the batteries in. Okay, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I've never used one of these before, so this is exciting. It's exciting and it's so cute. All right, so we're gonna put that back on there. All right. Okay, snap that in. All right, now I'm gonna read more of what to do next. Let's see. So you have to align the holes with this. Okay, I believe that's how it says it works, like that. Okay, yep, just like that. All right, so you put it on there like that. And then I believe, let's see, that's step 2. Step 3, pour beads into bowl. Recommend to fill the bowl approximately a third above. Okay. So let's choose some beads we're gonna work with here. All right. Such pretty colors. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I like the black. It did say to do this that you're going to need some scissors, a ruler, and of course your beads if you don't get the one with the kit. Because I guess it comes. Some of the kits come with just the device and not beads, but it's probably better to get everything together. That way, you'll know how to use it. So I've been playing with this for a little bit, and I took out the really small beads. So they were a little tough to get through the elastic cord, right? So just know that. You can do it. I managed to do it at the end, but I didn't like how it looked, so I just took them out. And so I put in these are size 8 seed beads. They're black, the pink, and the gold, and it came out really pretty. And I'm using this cord here, the fiber cord, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. I think I'm gonna make a necklace, y'all. I really do. I was gonna do a bracelet. Like that'll be a pretty bracelet, right? Look at that already. That's pretty. So let's try to do a necklace. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the charms. Let's look at the charms, that came in there. Let's open them up and look at them. See what looks good. Okay. What will match what we're doing here. Let's see. They have some cute charms, but I don't know. Well, I might just leave it like it is, Maybe. Or maybe I'll put one on at the very end or something. But you can always go back in and add the charms as well with the bigger jump ring and all of that. So there is that. Okay, let me see. So yeah, that's that. But those are the charms that came in the pack there. Different ones and cats and you got like little, space things and cherries. Like cherries would be cute, but none of these match what I want to do because I have gold. So it does take a little bit getting used to. Just so you know, if you've never used one of these before, but it's a lot of fun, right? It's a lot of fun. So this is what I've been doing. So I turn it on and I kept it on like slow mode. They have different modes, they say start slow. That's what the instructions say. Start slow and then you can build up your speed is how you want it to go. So I would say this, try it like this and you got to hold your needle. Well, look, hold your needle sort of the opposite way. So if it's spinning this way, you hold your needle this way, if that makes any sense. And they have lots of instructions on Amazon. So when you go to purchase this, all the videos are there for you to see. All right. So I'm just trying to make mine here. So you got to kind of hold it sort of like that. Wait a minute. Oh, here, no. So hold it. Hold it the opposite way, y'all. There, see how the beads are catching? I still got to practice a little bit with this, but it's turning out great. Oh, pretty. Okay, so you take your beads and you slide them down on your cord, right? You slide them down. And look at that. That's just gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. So let me see. Let's look. And then you can plug this up too. So it does come with a plug, a USB, but you can also plug this into a brick, into the wall if you want to charge it or whatever. So you can always do that. All right. So this is really cute. I'm loving it. Oh, yeah. So then after you're done, you just cut your cord and then you could tie it off or add a clasp or whatever. So I'm going to just keep going here. I really want to practice with these beads first before I did the really tiny ones. Okay. So, and you just pull them down. Pull them down on here. Really nice. Cute. Oh, I love. So let's see. No, that's not quite long enough yet. So you will need a bead board or a ruler. Probably a ruler would be good because we're gonna probably make a choker. I'm just making a choker. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Just keep pulling them down, and we're gonna tie it off at some point here. So you got to kind of pull your beads down. Okay, pull them down, and then this is operating on batteries. Okay, so yeah, Hold on. Let's see here. There we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. I want some more gold ones on here. Some more gold. We slide them down. Okay, so let's get some more gold if we can. Okay, this might be it, y'all. Let me see. This might be it. Maybe. I might have too many. Okay. Let me see. All right, I think this is good. I think this is really good. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, and then we can always go in and add a charm later on. So I'm just going to tie this off like I do with my bracelets. Let's see. Wow, cute, right? Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's go ahead and tie it off. I'm going to tie this one more time, and then we can glue the knot just like we do with our bracelets. So we'll see. Let's hope it fits over our big head. And then say if you wanted to hide that, you can always obviously slide it through the bead, but you can always put a bead cover over that, right? So if you wanted to say hide that knot, you could put a bead cover over it, or just put a clasp on it, or whatever you want to do, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Let me put some glue on here, a nice little choker, because it stretches, so you can definitely wear it. Or you know what? You can wear it as a wrap bracelet. There you go. Oh, look at that. So you can wear it as a choker, necklace, or a wrap bracelet. I just thought about that. So if it's too small, if it's for a little person, you can give them that. Or if it's for you and you say, well, I made it a little too small, wear it as a wrap bracelet. And you can still put charms on it too. So I'm just going to take the glue and put it in the knot here. All right, that's cute. Very, very cute. That's very cute. Okay, just glue right there in the knot. And we're gonna let that dry for a couple of hours, okay? Okay, so I made another piece. So I'll probably wear one as a wrap bracelet and one as a necklace, right? So that's pretty cute. You can just wrap it up. Or you can wear both as a wrap bracelet. I think either one would be cute because they look, they're obviously same color, similar colors, but one looks a little bit different than the other. And you can always add your charms. What you can do is when you're spinning this, stop it. You can put your jump ring on your charm and then add your charm and then stick it back in here and just add the beads like that. Or you can go in after the fact and just kind of space the beads out and add your charm like that, right? So, or you can add them all the way around. So it's up to you either way, So they have some cute ones to choose from here, if you like these sorts of things, really, really cute. But, you should probably use some color coordinated pieces, So you can use some color coordinated pieces to go with to go with whatever it is you make. All right. So I use sea beads, and then these are the sea beads that came with it. All right. It does take a little bit of work to learn how to do it, but it's actually kind of fun. I'm having fun using it. Right. So I have all sorts of ideas of what I'm going to do to make a bunch of stuff. So I did glue these knots just so, they don't fall apart or whatever. And I'm going to wait a couple of hours before I kind of mess with them. So in the meantime, I'm gonna probably, fill this with some more beads, maybe mix the size. You can always mix the sizes, all of that. So, all right. And that's the end of the video. And I thank Karaspor for sending this to me. I appreciate it. And I will leave the link for this down in the description. Guys, go to Amazon. You can check it out. They have different ones. So, see whatever it is you like. And I think it's worth it because it's a lot of fun. It's worth whatever money you could pay because you have so much fun playing with this thing. Like I got all these beads left over. I can make 2 or 3 more pieces. You can make earrings, necklaces, bracelets, whatever, Like I said, they have lots of videos on Amazon which you can look and get different kinds of design ideas. All right. So I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below and I'll get back to you. And give me a follow on my social media. All the links you need will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.